Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting Wheel channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet leaf earrings and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will use Rico Essential Crochet yarn and hook number 1.6 mm and earrings hook. Let's start. I will start round 1. I will make a magic ring as shown now. Then make 7 chains. And make double crochet into the magic ring. Then make 3 chains. And make triple crochet into the magic ring. Then make another 3 chains and make another triple crochet stitch into the same magic ring as shown now. Then make 5 chains and make triple crochet stitch into the magic ring. And make 3 chains. Then make triple crochet stitch again. And make 3 chains. And make another triple crochet stitch again. Then make 7 chains. And make single crochet into the same magic ring to have 7 spaces at the end of that round. Then start round 2. I will make a chain and make single crochet into the first space. Then make 11 double crochet stitches into the first space, into the same space as shown now. Then I will go to the second space. Then I will make 5 double crochet into the same space as shown now, into the second space. Then make another 5 double crochet stitches into the third space as shown now. Then I will go to the fourth space, so I will make 4 double crochet stitch into the fourth space as shown now. Then make 2 triple crochet stitches into the same space. Then make another 4 double crochet stitches into the same space as shown now. Then make 5 double crochet into the fifth space and 5 double crochet into the sixth space. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will make 11 double crochet stitches into the last space as shown now. 11 double crochet stitches, then half double crochet, then single crochet into the same space. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will make a chain and join it with the first chain of the round. Then make slip stitch and cut our yarn and fasten off. Then I will join the earrings hook as shown now. Now I finished that crochet leaf earrings and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like the video, and if you have any question don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.